If you think doing locks is just a side hustle, you're leaving serious money on the table. 4 years ago, I started with just a passion for doing hair. Today, I have over 600 clients, built a 6-figure business, and I live life on my own terms. No 9 to 5, no boss, no limit. Let's talk about numbers, real numbers. This is a week worth of income from lock services. And no, I'm not booked from sunrise to midnight, but I charge my worth, and my clients happily pay it. But I didn't get here by guessing. I had to learn the hard way. You like it?
I love it.
Okay, that'll be $100.
100?
Yeah. You motherfucker! People will try to finesse you. Some won't even pay. Some will try to backcharge you on PayPal. But that's why I created Mastering the Art of Locs, so you won't spend years of learning the hard way like I did. This course is just not about doing locks. Whose kid? This course is just not about doing locks. It's about mastering your confidence as a master loctician. Inside, I'll teach you the techniques to become a master loctician so your work speaks for itself. How to charge premium prices with confidence. No more undercharging. How to attract loyal clients without relying on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills, knowledge, and confidence to transform your locks, whether for yourself or for your client. Does this sound familiar? Hey, can you squeeze me in real quick? My clients learn how to make real money without running themselves into the ground. This course isn't about working hard. It's about working smarter. Why are you recording me? Oh shit, this is back in 2019. My last 9 to 5. I've helped countless clients transform their hair, and I'm ready to help you. Whether you're looking to maintain your own locks or master your skills as a professional loctician, this course will equip you with the techniques, knowledge, and strategies to master lock care with confidence. So if you're ready, hit the link below and let's get started.